I disease Bima Ubia Aquaba Hadia latest and hot news and I'm the Bremo MT Sawinian subscriber ya. Obadia say over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say over click a subscribe button. Now what barely notification no. Where is our video be upload when the first person I was Abeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Sheba of Frosuna when you be here now and summer air also air Ghana Memoharam. Afi Yangura and summer Abetoya Ponoso. Iti a yes, I report in Sansevia Cosi. Iti Summer Cosi.
Pablo Eka Assembly, and I want to reiterate that statement he made, and it's one of the statements I think he has basically set the record straight. NDC youth organizer. National Youth Organizer George Opare Addo urges Otumfuo, Okyehene, and others to call EC to order. And the National Youth Organizer of the NDC was set his statement in straightforward. Why is Otumfuo quiet? Why is Mr. Boakye quiet? Why are all the big chiefs in Ghana quiet? Why is the National House of Chiefs, baby why are they quiet? Have you asked yourself why? Inti Pablo catch the Otumfuo respectfully or catch the Okyehene Mr. Boakye any impedifo Morgan say why is everybody quiet? At least to come and so Otumfuo Hene kasiye asante your mind na asante your mind adentina asante to mean kasa because the echoes for Ghana is one sem especially galamsey issue say Ghana no asante pa na galamsey kasiye adentina or mind on Hene kasiye to mean kasa. These are the questions. Adentina Okyehene entumi kasa. Easy asema that way phobia ho. Adentina everybody is quiet.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Obia is quiet. We cannot speak to the issues. And the obi bien no kan yes nipa de di atem but mona mo watumi a mo so obia ntumi ntuma ade so mo position no enya political no you are scared to talk. Why? Is it because you people are involved in the illegality? Are you involved in the crimes? Are you involved in the corruption? Ana boni na nkwasiafo weti power edino munya ho mfaso na enintina ende the air to Ghana da ye hiam penifo emoma kasama nyoma asesa no. Why is Otumfuo quiet? Why is Okyehene quiet? Why are the so-called National House of Chiefs everybody quiet when it comes to EC, when it comes to galamsey, when it comes to the menace we are all experiencing today in Ghana? Is it because you people have taken a stand to protect criminality? Because near Tikrom ha and I'm yamen na Otumfuo said to na pia me do obi na no ka se ono se court shemra kro obetumi asesa no obetumi adane no na se court shemra wo man mu constitutional ma court power ama na make judgment na se Ohene tumi de nsase ni bo e ka se betumi asesa court decision a dey na stop sa Ohene no from talking on EC destabilizing our democracy e dey na stop sa Ohene no from telling Ghana for omo na sa so me galamsey nyina se obi anja galamsey ye unless say be Ohene no interest or galamsey nim. Because if a chief can say publicly, say, or bet me stop it, a constitutionally put together court decision, then Ohene should have that power to tell the EC to do the things right. Or Ohene should have that power to say no excavator should move in the Ashanti region. But Ohene is not doing it. Then it means Ohene will interest or the criminality. These are the things. And the Pablo was, as a politician, he was sending it to people nicely. But me, as an independent person, I'm saying, I am disappointed in Okyehene. I am disappointed in Otumfuo, especially Otumfuo. Okyehene, okay. Especially Otumfuo. Why are you quiet on these very important, sensitive issues? What is your interest in this whole thing? Because the stability of this nation depends on you people, your contribution through your advice and your stern advice to these people in power. Why is nobody speaking on what the EC is doing? Or you are not interested? Or today, NDC for the country should go down the drain. And this is something we need to be thinking about. But there's one thing that I love. The National Chief Imam has released a statement. And that statement goes to Ghana for, it goes to Asofo, it goes to Edien, Onwankasa Chief Imam, Ninkremufo, and it goes to Edien leadership. It goes to especially the young Muslim. The Chief Imam, Ebia na mumudu don't just say Ebia on TV, ana on T News, but the Chief Imam understands Ghana. Se oda, na se wempia bontene kura, his heart understands Ghana. Se Ghana, enfrema wa Ghana, esesa, or a Ghana ni opia bontini obehu. He does not have to watch TV. He does not have to listen to radio. He has stayed in Ghana long enough to understand that he will feel it. He will understand that some things are not right. And today I got some little bit of a little bit of hope after I heard or saw the message from the Chief Imam of Ghana. Now, the National Chief Imam has spoken about some things we the young people are supposed to understand or know. Or say, election 2024, no politician is worth the blood of any citizen. Chief Imam say, politician ni bienwa was say Sebio Obiwu. Sebio Ewuntima be the president and also Obeyede Obenya to me. No Ghanaian needs to die because a politician wants power. The Chief Imam has been in Ghana. He has seen elections more than all of us. 99.9% of Ghanaians. Chief Imam, yawo na odi eyedien eduane ne yanwo ye ma menom kwane yanwo mo. So he has tasted elections upon elections. Maybe he has never voted before, but he has tasted elections. He has seen regimes. He has seen presidents. He has seen leadership. He understands when things are not right. And he is giving advice to Ghanaians. Say, we are not supposed to allow politicians to derail the little the democracy we have enjoyed. Nobody is supposed to die for a greedy politician. And this comes from a special place because Yatikromuhana in Kremufo 7, your Bomutuo, Omi in Kremufo Nkwara. Zongo 7, you waste your life. The chief imam was in Ghana. Nobody woke up to say, Ya yen Kremufo Boni. We have a vice president who is a Muslim. He could not step up to say, Abainwe Edin Kremufo Boni or the Kwasiatna Police Council. Ekachiromu said they should not even investigate the matter. Bawumia is the one I'm talking about. So Obi Jinaga say Bawumia and Kremoni into somebody president and say why you Juma time where vice president ko also kasa man Kremofo who say even though we are vice president what should say we and Kremoni o kan okure no ofo aso me boni pato ma be di president ya bon Kremofo watchi omo mu 2020 election Kremofo be 9 ewom Mahamadu Bawumia to date has not spoken about it, but the chief imam has a message for Ghanaians. And what the chief imam knows, and what he sees, and what he has experienced, 99.9% of Ghanaians, we have not seen it, including the president. This advice goes to Ghanaians. Ansa na penyini, ebe free edem, abe bowa wabontene, asako dem no, na onim de wati, na onim de oti wabontene, na onim de onwankasa fem, na onim de oye. For the chief imam to come out, to make this statement, he's speaking to every Ghanaian, especially NPP use in the name of politics. More young Ghanaians now, their politicians use you people to be killing each other in the name of politics. The chief imam has a message. Now, the chief imam's message, they're not a very interesting woman. Now, let's read the story. I'm sure. Or make key points to be, and those points are very vital. The National Chief Imam, through his spokesperson, Sheikh Aremeyaw, has issued a call to action addressing two of the most pressing challenges facing Ghana: illegal mining, also known as galamsey, and the growing political tensions ahead of the country's December 7th elections. So Chief Imam released a statement, I know asem den okanyoma mienu ho asem, o se galamsey ho asem, ene den ene elections ya yekoi isi ho nsem a aba no, o se sanyoma mienu we na Chief Imam say we should be very cautious about. Chief Imam enyini chen Ghana, 99% of people watching me we nyini chen mo. Time odi in the first eduane na majority of us here ma me crying wo. So we need to understand where this man is coming from. Time elections eba so Ghana Chief Imam ya wo na ma no hu nyoma bebre we di mokwe di nchine. He understands. Osinyoma mienu ene ende ehano. It's got to do with illegal mining, galamsey, any EC, any tensioner ewo Ghana when it comes to EC, any nyoma ekoswa emanipa akuma Anthony yim. Now read the statement now. This is what he said. The Chief Imam says, and these are the key highlights in his statement, or say, the Chief Imam warned that illegal mining is poisoning Ghana's water bodies and destroying farmlands, urgent action to prevent a national crisis. Chief Imam say, galamsey no essential. Na one de na kumemu no opese yetenase na you solve problem we ni ya because say you take a decision a man penifo mu ni nyansa and take a bold decision to stop galamsey. What he sees 99% of you people don't see. The chief imam is 105 years old. He has tasted salt, he has tasted water, he understands what life is. Or say galamsey no baby abedu sisi ana yentumi nsobu no ye hia bold people who can take decisions. He's not being political, he's being critical. He's talking to every single person. He's talking to Ghanaians as a nation. Say, we need to make a decision. This is not a time to be playing the blame games. This is the time for leadership to take decision. This is what he said. He also stressed that the upcoming elections should not result in bloodshed and called on political leaders to avoid inciting violence through their rhetoric. Chief Imam said, what he's seeing, there's too much tension in the system. He does not want this election to end up in violence, and that he's talking to political leaders, he's talking to political actors to be very careful in their statement. Obi said, Brian Champo to regional stage, say, I will not, we will kill. Akufo Addo, in the history of the Republic of Ghana, President Tibianu within 8 years, power, I will hand over power to my own party. With Jimmy. These are some of the things it's making the chief imam scared. He wants Ghanaians to understand. You are not as leaders, no, it goes deep, it cuts deep. We need to be very cautious about the way we speak. He's not being political, he's being critical. The chief imam called for national unity, accountability. The chief imam called for national unity in Kabum, Yenina Yenkaya Humbum, or say a idea Obon Paya Edena Kumaso. He also called for accountability. Chief imam is calling for accountability. So Obia Diboni or say Chenaso. And I'm saying my number one citizen in Ghana, chief imam, I always say. There are some people they were trying to destroy the office of the chief imam, but the chief imam himself, even though I have not met him, even though I have not seen him, but I know this man is a true servant of Allah.
News on YouTube.
At least he has shown what leadership is. The only voice left in Ghana to hold this country together is chief imam. I swear to God, nobody can hold this country together when things go the bad way. I'm telling you. And in Tokwasi Ghana Gigim, it is only the Chief Justice who will speak. Every tribe in Ghana will listen. It is only the Chief Justice who will speak. Every religion in Ghana will listen. It is only the Chief Justice of Bekasa. Every political party will listen. The rest are all concubines of the devil. Concubines of the devil. Abonsamon penaniomo. They have let politicians take them for granted. The chief imam is the only last living being in Ghana who can hold our democracy together when we foolish people decide to play politics with everything. He is the only person. It is our Kwada, Sao Bompire, my chief imam, because technically he is holding the democracy of this country together. If the chief imam, peace be unto Allah and Muhammad, if God today in his own wisdom, Allah in his own wisdom says, chief imam, you have served. You have done what you have to do. I am your creator. Come to paradise. We are done. Our country will go down the drain. So the chief imam is something that, or he's someone we need to hold in high esteem. We need to protect as a treasure. He needs to be an egg in our hand. When he speaks like this, he speaks from experience. He speaks with passion. He is not doing politics. What he has seen, 99% of us in Ghana, we have not seen it. The people he has met in public and behind the scenes, millions of people, you have not met them. So you need to understand when people like these at this point in our history come out to speak about how they are worried about the high galamsey menace we are seeing, and how our electoral commission and the elections coming, how our politicians are conducting themselves. The chief imam is worried. Now, the chief imam says he called for national unity in Kabum. He also called for accountability. And collective responsibility in tackling both the galamsey menace and ensuring peaceful elections. Chief Imam say, ya will say obia we di bone, why galamsey, we di Ghana dream, why Ghana bone, I will say sani pano ya chenaso. Accountability in the Quran, in the Bible is very important. Without accountability, there's nothing that will exist. If the chief imam say a person accountability is important. Mami show video be the use of a particular place in Ghana, and they decided to storm a galamsey site. Na shedi see. My culture say 99% of the weapons are NPP be use. Ni nyina gu galamsey sites. Chema Wontumi akra etua begun wurem. And that is why he's confident to say we win elections, because they are ready to kill more. Brian Champomo, Sammy Ukuma will lead these criminals in the bushes. They are ready. They put ammunitions on standby. Said they will bring or release them during elections to come and kill us. Now, Shadie, these are young people who decided to take over because assassin our Ghana Nina say.
Hot news.
Now I'm going to play this video. Yenya botrene nyina yenhwe. Na yenhwe de AC ewo seshi. Obia enhwe de ekoso.
Hello. When some na man free away. When the sun money na why? When some na man free see. We seconds here. You hear money na say free see. We say cross the other cross. Not there. Hey, Munya down. Hey, we have it. Hey, I say, why? Hey, I say, hey, Uber Kuya. Hey, we are down Kuya. Hey, we are down Kuya. Ha, Yano Karabako Kuya. Yano Karabako Kuya. Hey, I say, how about you? Ha, what to you? We are out to you, so. Who to you, so? Ha, when you get any? When you get a note to us, such a mamma. Who to us, so? Who to us, so? Who to us, so? How to us, so? And when you turn a friend, son. And when you turn on, when you turn on, when you turn on, I say, Now we are back.
The youth decided to take matters into their own hands. And the Omwanga said, "Nya did to actually sim say Omon say asas na oni nua no ba ombo mutu nkomo na nka osom de ne tunsuo nim kuno totwene." I don't know why omuji to no muja no na nka osom ka no tunsuo nim na nka owu. I don't know why they took the gun from this guy, because akwa we na etokuta no say anka obi eni wanko be bom mutu okuomo. The government cannot solve this, and the young people, and the Akufo Addo, the head of the military, Bawumia is the head of the police council. That is their responsibility. This is what the chief imam was talking about. Because we have allowed some people not to be accountable to anything, anybody in Ghana. There's no accountability. And anything that makes us a Pablo, Asama Pablo Kaya, or directing the matter to Otumfuo, any Okyehene no, Pablo was right. Why is Otumfuo quiet? The issue I echo so easy. Galamsey in Semeko, why is Otumfuo quiet? In 2016, when NDC, they were in power. This is Otumfuo. This is 2016, October 27th. Abide by poll laws, Otumfuo to EC. 2016, Otumfuo A to EC4. What is stopping Otumfuo from advising the EC today? Otumfuo said to in 2016, time na NPP or power no, na Oya campaign say EC ninya the right thing. Why is Otumfuo quiet today? Why say and the Ghana some enye Otumfuo? Asantino said to Asantino Otumfuo said to has admonished the Electoral Commission EC to conduct its activities strictly according to Ghana's electoral laws. He cautioned the EC not to take any decision that will plunge the country into chaos as Ghana marks preparation towards the presidential and parliamentary elections on December 7th. Otumfuo tena menshia na otu EC for on crying. Adentira ne NPP no abeka kire ne say omo person mu win power into onya politics. Sa time no na ne wofa Baafo Akoto £700 or the party no na party na beka kire ne say yes ye here to me enti tata EC boss no na yensu yamra to me na yemewie sika enti Otumfuo was advising the EC. What is stopping Otumfuo from advising the EC? That is stopping, deliberately deciding EC we have power. Otumfuo has refused to advise the EC. Today, our elections, our democracy is hanging on a thin rope. In this country, Otumfuo said to what did he say? This is Daily Guide, MP before newspaper. Otumfuo cautions EC to be fair. What is stopping Otumfuo from making this statement today? Because ne wa for party, ne chairman, ne papa, ne wa for chairman party, and also and omudi nkwasiasem into Otumfuo does not want to speak truth. Otumfuo mbeso beka no kre. If it's a party ni ebusuafo party, if it's a party ni asantefo party, party ni be say Ghana, party ni say Ghana. Na Ghana say ya when be di hene wo Ghana. Say NPP ni say Ghana, when be di hene wo Ghana. Why so na mo be di hene no? You people should stop doing these things. Munjai dia moya na mo say Ghana. You people should be honest in your deliberations. Stop being political. Ghana na say Akufo Addo say Ghana e mo Otumfuo mo ene mo amaka no. More the National House of Chiefs ahemfo amaka, majority of you people, because of your deliberate hypocrisy enter Ghana say and you Otumfuo yembo udinji in Samrani and so to kano kure emanyoman sisa. The nonsense happening at the EC. What is stopping Otumfuo from cautioning the EC that what they are doing is wrong? Moma yenjai sa nya atwomono ye kan ye se didi mu atam munya nipa monne munjare. What makes you people think that the moya na no and the moya it is wrong? We should stop this hypocrisy. We have entertained hypocrisy in Ghana. And the Ghana, disrespect, it's a crime than even seeing a criminal. The word disrespect, it's more interested in somebody saying, Kevin Muadie, than to say, way boy a chrono, and the city chronim, and a chronphone a dear so. What is stopping Otumfuo from talking about the EC's issue? Because when there's no democracy, when there's no Ghana, why is no mubedi hineno? More him for na make catch a munina. So democracy no enye sustain down. Wana so na mo be free frantoma. Emi aso aso ankonwa di mochi. You people should be straightforward with us a little bit. Akufo Addo nkwasiade o nyina is because you people fail to speak in his face. Akufo Addo di nkwasiase na mo so ne so. Akufo Addo jimi na mo so ne so. Akufo Addo tumi ho ohene na otiati ohene, odidi ohene atam. Na mo nyina mo tete Ghana na mo so efiri se enyam na nka yemo di anka ma fe mo to mo bu ofu. Akufo Addo is fooling the EC. They are fooling. The democracy does not belong to anybody in Ghana. It belongs to all of us. It's you people should sit up. Some more that necessary respect. More say accord them that respect. You need to do what is right. And the Oba Ghana, baby, I galamsey pa Eastern and Ashanti. So Otumfuo Wontumi also Wontumi. Adena on shemra mo bi anya galamsey wa santimemu. If Otumfuo is not interested in the illegal mining happening in the Ashanti region with some politicians, why hasn't Otumfuo directed that Onona Saso so memo bi mining? Otumfuo cannot do it because Otumfuo is interested in what is happening. You going to order a tiny chief, say metu. Nenche ne bohono na Otumfuo wi akokokon. Otumfuo say to nenche ne bohono. So to be done court decision, you should be able to tell everyone mining on your land to stop mining. We jana nchena boho na wogori akokokon me yanka obi asem Ghana na ye ne nchirima ne ebebre mu nyina aka mu mfie se ne mowu. You people should be committed a little bit and be patriotic a little bit. Ye nyina konsamampo mu da na se ne nyina na nanom bo mo brado konsamampo mu a asem be ne ekoka no konsamampo mu ye wu a. Let us all be honest enough a little bit. The galamsey menace is crazy. The EC, they are messing up. We are still sitting in Ghana entertaining mediocrity, corruption, and people taking us for granted. We should not continue this path. This deliberate hypocrisy should stop. As a city, I can say on authority, Wontumi is powerful than Otumfuo. Chairman Wontumi or power Chairman Otumfuo. Then ask me why. The reason why Chairman Wontumi is powerful to Otumfuo is say Chairman Wontumi say Asante Asase Otumfuo Wontumi kasa. Otumfuo said to Wontumi is powerful than him, and you people all know. Asase yes said Asante kwa dance na kohe. The Chairman Wontumi ye, but Asante mu na behwe. Otumfuo is scared. Osuro. Otumfuo Chairman Wontumi na ho popo. Otumfuo Wontumi nyambe masem. Aden nana unwo mana. Nana wobusuafo bi ye bia na nana ade wo so concession na what is stopping you? So about me I change the verdict of a court, Why can't you tell everybody on your land to stop mining? Ahemfo nketinketi odu eni akobra mo so a odegi show tanga no, it will not change the menace. What will change the menace is for you to put your hand up here and say nobody should move an excavator on Asante mine, but you can't do it. Ade hu mana. Are you interested in the illegality? Are you interested in the mining? Are the politicians doing the mining on your land giving you some royalties? If not, then be a man. Be a man with balls to tell nobody should mine on your land. Oh, we are kokokon na bohono. We are winenchieno. Otumfuo winenchieno neja kokokon na wo no because akokokon na wo no e ma opo munya din. Winenchieno ne ba ma ho din. Put a statement out. And tell the whole Asante mine say nobody should move an excavator on my land. Wontumi nye. Chairman Wontumi is powerful than you. I will just say if I'm home. I'm saving a nation. I'm not saving a tribe. Until you need to get that in your head. I'm saving a nation, not a tribe. Get it in your head.
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone abeto yapono so because this news so and our head no. So we can subscribe. We have say over subscribing to the channel. Say hadia. Latest and hot news and Quadamide Premo. I think you are now like the video and give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for so now we will be here now. and somewhere also Ghana memoir. Also with me at share what we have fire and some way now I will comment boxing Mubeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.